Hello everyone, welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today we're going to explore a giant yet gentle creature that is not only a precious part of nature, also a symbol of strength and resilience. There are 5 main species of rhinoceros: the white rhinoceros, black rhinoceros, Indian rhinoceros, Javan rhinoceros, and Sumatran rhinoceros. Each species has its own unique characteristics, but they all share some common traits such as a massive body, thick skin, and large horns. The rhinoceros horn is not just a symbol of power, but also a tool for self-defense and foraging. Despite their bulky appearance, rhinoceroses are actually capable of running very fast, reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour when necessary. They are herbivores, primarily eating grass, leaves, and fruits, and they spend most of their time eating, walking, and resting in the shade. One of the remarkable features of the rhinoceros is its excellent hearing and sense of smell, which help it detect potential dangers in its environment. However, their eyesight is quite poor, making them more vulnerable to predators or human threats. Rhinoceroses usually live alone, except for the mother-offspring relationship, but they are quite peaceful with other animals in their habitat. They also play a crucial role in maintaining their ecosystem, particularly by creating pathways in the forest and helping to disperse seeds through their eating habits. However, the number of rhinoceroses in the wild is declining rapidly due to illegal poaching for their horns and the loss of their natural habitat. Many conservation organizations are working hard to protect rhinoceroses from extinction, from banning the trade of rhinoceros horns to protecting natural reserves.